It's Monday, 6:07 a.m. While every headline screams that AI is coming for your job, a small bakery owner is still manually answering supplier emails about flour orders. This daily routine, though seemingly minor, consumes valuable time that could be spent on growth or innovation. Sound familiar? This scenario plays out in countless small businesses every day. Here's the truth Hollywood won't tell you about the practical application of AI in small business operations. Forget the robot uprising and dystopian futures. The real enemy of small business isn't artificial intelligence. It's the endless stream of repetitive, mind-numbing tasks that drain your team's creativity and productivity, preventing them from focusing on what truly matters. Think about it. Your star manager is spending 2 hours every day updating spreadsheets instead of nurturing crucial client relationships and driving new business. Or your highly creative designer copy-pasting data from one system to another instead of dedicating their talent to innovative design projects that could elevate your brand. AI agents are specifically designed to excel at exactly the kind of routine, predictable work that nobody wants to do, freeing up your human talent for more strategic and creative endeavors. Picture this: your bakery has 2 conveyor belts operating simultaneously. One is physical, where raw dough is transformed into delicious, freshly baked cookies. The other is digital, a constant flow of orders, stock levels, and invoices moving through your business systems, representing the digital backbone of your operations. An AI agent functions much like a sophisticated robotic arm positioned over that digital belt. It's programmed to efficiently grab predictable tasks, process them with perfect accuracy, and can repeat these actions hundreds, even thousands of times a day if needed, without fatigue or error. Meanwhile, with AI handling the mundane, your invaluable human team can fully focus on what robots simply cannot replicate: the art of flavor innovation, building deep and lasting customer relationships, and engaging in complex, creative problem-solving that drives your business forward. To help you identify these opportunities, I've developed a simple yet powerful decision framework. I call it the Delegation Triangle. This tool will guide you in pinpointing tasks ripe for automation. It involves 3 crucial questions. First, is this task high or low value per minute of human effort? Second, is the task predictable and consistent, or is it highly variable and unique? Third, does this task absolutely require human verification and judgment, or can it be fully automated from start to finish? Tasks that fall squarely into the low value, highly predictable, and low-risk corner of this triangle are your prime candidates. These represent your immediate automation quick wins, offering significant time and resource savings with minimal effort. Let's make this concept practical with a real-world example. Using powerful no-code tools like N8N, here's a typical workflow. When your inventory drops below a predefined threshold, it automatically triggers an AI agent. This agent then analyzes historical consumption patterns, calculates the optimal reorder quantity, automatically emails your supplier with the order, and simultaneously notifies your team via Slack, ensuring everyone is informed without manual intervention. Consider a bakery processing 1,500 orders weekly. By implementing this automated stock management system, they save an impressive 5 staff hours for every 1,000 orders processed, simply by eliminating tedious manual stock checks and reordering processes. This translates to significant operational efficiency and cost savings. Here's what actually happens when you strategically automate routine work. Roles within your organization don't disappear. Instead, they evolve and become more fulfilling. Your team members are empowered to take on more meaningful responsibilities. This shift allows your team to expand their focus into critical areas like enhancing client experience, engaging in vital research and development, and spearheading new growth projects that directly contribute to the business's long-term success and innovation. I encourage you to start this week. Begin by auditing your current tasks using the Delegation Triangle framework. Then, sketch out one simple workflow for a recurring 30-minute weekly chore that you'd like to automate. Most importantly, involve your team in this design process from the very beginning. Your team members are on the front lines. They know the pain points and inefficiencies best. Their insights are invaluable for identifying the most impactful automation opportunities and ensuring successful implementation. The robot isn't replacing your intern or any other valuable team member. It is your new intern. A hyper-reliable, tirelessly efficient one that handles all the logistical heavy lifting, allowing your human team to truly excel at judgment, creativity, and fostering genuine human connection. Once you fully realize that the robot is simply handling the routine task of ordering the flour, you'll naturally start asking a much more exciting and strategic question: what amazing new products, services, or experiences could we bake next? Now that our team is free to innovate,